Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your independent bank account user ID. If you don't have an independent bank account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and earn a $50 MasterCard reward card. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Profile. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for User ID. Click on User ID. Now, enter your new user ID on the first field. Then, re-enter it again on the second field to confirm your new user ID. After that, click on Update. That's how you change your independent bank account user ID. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.